This week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about our heat exchanger. Every boiler is a heat exchanger because we've got, in this case, fire on one side of the tubes, we've got water on the other side of the tubes, but we've got things that can impair that heat exchange. One of them is scale. If we get minerals on the outside of the tubes, we're not going to transfer heat rapidly into the water. If we get soot on the inside of the tubes, once again, we're not transferring heat. So how can we tell if that's happening without cutting the side of the boiler off? Well, we can look at the stack temperature. If we look at our stack temperature daily and we log that, a gradual increase in our stack temperature will tell us, or could tell us, that we're getting scale buildup or soot buildup.